Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Fruitvale, British Columbia is a small village in the West Kootenay region, located along Beaver Creek and surrounded by forested hills and mountain landscapes. Today, it feels like a quiet and welcoming community, but its roots are tied to the same forces that shaped much of this region: natural resources, transportation routes, and the steady arrival of settlers looking to build a life in a rugged and promising land. The setting, with its mix of valley floor and nearby mountains, gives a clear sense of why people chose to settle here. Long before European settlement, the area was part of the traditional territory of indigenous peoples, including the Scenic or Lakes people. They lived throughout the Columbia River Basin for thousands of years, using the land and waterways for food, travel, and trade. Beaver Creek and the surrounding forests would have been important resources, supporting wildlife and plant life that sustained communities over generations. This deep history is an essential part of the story, even if it is not always visible in the modern landscape. The arrival of European settlers in the late 19th century brought significant change. Like many places in the Kootenays, Fruitvale developed during a time of mining expansion, when nearby discoveries of minerals drew workers and investment into the region. The growing industrial center of Trail, just a short distance away, created demand for housing and services, and smaller communities like Fruitvale began to take shape as agricultural and residential areas supporting that growth. Fruitvale's name reflects its early identity. Settlers recognized the fertile soil and favorable growing conditions in the valley, and agriculture became an important part of the local economy. Orchards, gardens, and small farms were established, giving the community a reputation tied to fruit growing and self-sufficiency. While large-scale agriculture never dominated the area, this connection to the land helped define the village and gave it a distinct character within the region. The community was officially incorporated as a village in 1952. By that time, Fruitvale had developed into a stable residential area with close ties to Trail and other nearby towns. Families were drawn to the quieter setting while still having access to employment in industry and services. Over the decades, the village maintained steady growth, shaped more by consistency than by rapid change. Like much of the West Kootenay region, Fruitvale has seen the impact of both industrial development and environmental awareness. The nearby smelting operations in Trail played a major role in the regional economy, but they also brought environmental challenges that later required cleanup and restoration efforts. Over time, improvements in technology and regulation have helped reduce these impacts, allowing the surrounding environment to recover and remain a key part of life in the area. Today, Fruitvale is known for its strong sense of community and access to outdoor recreation. Trails, parks, and nearby mountains offer opportunities for hiking, biking, and exploring throughout the year. The changing seasons are especially noticeable here, from green summers to colorful autumns and snowy winters, each bringing a different rhythm to daily life. It is a place where nature is always close, and where the pace of life reflects that connection.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
watching!